Hot rod school buses represent a fascinating intersection of Americana, blending the utilitarian image of the classic yellow school bus with the high-octane, visually striking world of hot rod culture. These custom-built vehicles are far from their original purpose of transporting children to and from school. Instead, they are transformed into rolling works of art that showcase creativity, engineering skill, and a healthy dose of humor. The modifications made to these buses can range from subtle aesthetic tweaks to complete mechanical overhauls, resulting in unique machines that turn heads wherever they go. The motivations behind creating a hot rod school bus are as diverse as the builders themselves. For some, it's simply a matter of having fun and pushing the boundaries of automotive customization. The challenge of transforming a large, ungainly vehicle into something sleek and powerful can be a rewarding endeavor. Others may see it as a way to make a statement, whether it's a commentary on the state of education, a celebration of American ingenuity, or just a desire to stand out from the crowd. Hot rod school buses are guaranteed to attract attention, and they often become conversation starters at car shows, parades, and other public events. The modifications performed on hot rod school buses typically include a combination of aesthetic and mechanical upgrades. On the aesthetic side, builders often focus on giving the bus a more streamlined and aggressive appearance. This can involve lowering the suspension, adding custom body panels, and applying a vibrant paint job with flames, stripes, or other eye-catching graphics. The interior may also be customized with plush seating, upgraded sound systems, and other amenities that transform the bus into a comfortable and stylish cruiser. Mechanical modifications are often the heart of a hot rod school bus transformation. The original engine is typically replaced with a more powerful unit, such as a big block V8 or a modern performance engine. The transmission, suspension, and brakes are also upgraded to handle the increased power and improve handling. Some builders even go as far as to install air ride suspension systems, which allow the bus to be raised or lowered at will, adding to its visual appeal and versatility.